The time has come and I don't even know where to start. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name's Lindsay, aka SwishWilly, and I talk about all things Disney. So if you're into that sort of thing, make sure you hit subscribe and click that notification bell to be sure you don't miss any of my videos. Now, I'm sure all you Disney fans have already heard, but I'm gonna break it down for you. Just this morning on Good Morning America, Disney announced some new information regarding the 50th anniversary, including what everybody's most excited for, the nighttime spectaculars. Now, let's break down everything that they talked about today. One of the first things we should talk about are the new character costumes that were just released this morning. Now, Disney didn't just reserve these 50th anniversary costumes solely for the Fab Five. There are 8 characters that are going to be sporting the new costumes. They are all classic characters, but there's 8 instead of the Fab Five. We have Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, Pluto, Goofy, and Chip and Dale. Now, to go along with these costumes, they have actually created a brand new cavalcade for the 50th anniversary called Mickey's Celebration Cavalcade. So all 8 characters are going to be wearing these costumes on the cavalcade. The great thing about all the characters being on this cavalcade is that every single guest is going to be able to witness these characters in these super cute costumes. If you're not familiar with what a cavalcade is, it's actually one parade float every 15 to 20 minutes. Now, seeing as October 1st is still a little bit of a ways out, they haven't announced the cavalcade times. However, they have said that you'll be able to see this brand new cavalcade several times throughout the day at Magic Kingdom Park. And to go along with these costumes, you're also going to see these 8 characters featured in these gold statue series that's going to be close to Cinderella's castle. This series is called Disney Fab 50. Disney Fab 50 is a series of 50 different golden statues that are going to be scattered throughout the Walt Disney World Resort. These sculptures are going to be the classic characters that have helped define the Walt Disney World Resort over the years. That's right, Epcot fans, get ready because I'm pretty sure you're going to see a nice golden figment floating around Epcot somewhere. And the next announcement is the daytime entertainment that is coming to the Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. And this show is going to be called Disney's Kite Tales. What you can anticipate with this one is that performers are going to be flying wind catchers and kites, and some will even stretch to being 30 feet long. These kites and wind catchers are going to be depicting our favorite Disney animal friends such as Simba, Zazu, Baloo, and even King Louie. And one of the best parts about this is it's all going to be choreographed to our favorite Disney songs. Now, the big news. We know that Disney has already announced that fireworks were coming back to the park as of July 1st, which is super exciting. They did limit it and say it was happily ever after and Epcot forever. However, today, the game changed. As of October 1st, we are getting 2 brand new nighttime spectaculars. Epcot is finally going to be premiering Harmonious, and the Magic Kingdom Resort is having a brand new nighttime spectacular called Disney Enchantment. Now, if you've been to Epcot in the past 6 months, you have seen the massive barges that have been brought into the lagoon, and those are all barges that are going to be part of the grand Harmonious Show. Disney has said that Harmonious is going to be a great, grand, powerful tribute to the stories that unite us. Now, and of course, we're getting major technical enhancements and pyrotechnics with this. What other kind of show would it be if it wasn't? One of the parts that I'm looking most forward to, besides obviously the fireworks, is the choreographed moving water fountains and the lighting that corresponds with it. A really exciting part of Harmonious is it's going to be featuring our favorite Disney songs, but reimagined in over a dozen languages, which is great considering that it's going to be on the World Showcase Lagoon. Now it's time to talk about Disney Enchantment. Disney Enchantment is going to be filled with music and lighting and fireworks and projections. But not only is it going to have your classic castle projections, this is the first time that Disney's going to be projecting things all the way down Main Street, straight down to the castle. If you're a big Magic Kingdom goer and you love the fireworks shows, if you've seen Happily Ever After, and heck, if you've seen Wishes, you know the capabilities that Disney has to create the most magical fireworks spectaculars. So I can only imagine what's in store for us for the 50th anniversary. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure you can tell how excited I am. I hope you are just as excited. If you are, make sure you comment down below and let me know what you're most looking forward to. And a friendly reminder, make sure you hit subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I look forward to having you join me again. Have an awesome day!